Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for July 13, 2020. Today, taking a look at the EURUSD, the Euro versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. We have two different charts here on the screen. Left-hand side is the Euro dollar, and the right-hand side is US Dollar Index. Similar in look to them, except it's a mirror image. Opposite, of course, on the left-hand side, we've seen in the past couple of weeks a predominantly rising move, and I'm actually going to just take this blue trend line and move it over here to be a similar trend area that the US dollar is. So you can see that rising trend on the Euro where the blue trend line is, and on the right-hand side, the falling trend for the USD. Orange shaded area on the US Dollar Index, 96.35, 96.20, holding as support. I've put these black circles here so you can see the several times it's come down, challenged that orange shaded area, 96.20.35, bounced off it and went back up. And we're very close to it again, and actually have bounced off it a little bit already today. Similar area, opposite, is the purple shaded area on the Euro dollar. The black circles there, 1.133020. Finding resistance there. And so with the US dollar finding support potential, it could bounce up because that's what it's done in the past. Euro dollar at resistance potential, it could fall back down because that's what it's done in the past. We're looking for clues and evidence to that reversal to go back down. We'd also be watchful for a breakout. If it was to break the orange zone on the right to go lower, or break the purple zone on the left to go higher, then we want to watch for those clues and pieces of evidence as well. Let's take the Euro dollar down to the 4-hour time frame. Zoom it out just a touch, and there we go. Here on the 4-hour time frame for the Euro, you can see it has been having a very difficult time getting above the 1.1330 level. It found resistance over here, found support here, and here we are finding resistance here again. Very similar, in fact, to what you might refer to as a head and shoulders pattern right here inside the black circle, where we see a high on the left, a high in the middle, and a high on the right. If that's true and holds true, we could be looking for some pushback to the green zone or lower if a head and shoulders reversal pattern does play out. So I'm keenly watching this purple shaded area for one of two things on the Euro dollar. Either we're going to see a candle body get above 1.1330, and I'm just going to change it to reflect as a breakout or a bullish candle getting above that purple zone. Either it's going to break out above there, or we're going to see the opposite. And I'll make this look like a red bearish move as a potential move. It's going to get right back down and reverse and go back down to the green zone. So we're watching for those pieces of evidence here for the Euro dollar day. Breakout above the purple zone to go higher, or back underneath, reversal to go back lower. And of course, if that's true, if that either one of those happens, we'd look for a familiar and similar yet opposite and mirrored action over here on the USD on the right hand side. Something else that I'll be watching is our volume indicator. Of course, we are challenging above on the 5-minute time frame. We have challenged above the purple zone, but starting to roll over a bit, starting to show a little sign of weakness here. You can see down in the volume indicator is very, very bottom. You can see the Hawkeye volume showing red, which means some bearish price action coming in. The heat map's still green, but you know, if it still continues to pressure lower, I would say we could see it turn red. Trend dots are still green, haven't turned over to red, but hey, if all of this turns red at the same time it's here at the purple zone and the US dollar bounces off support to go up, we may be looking for some short-term reversal for the Euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.